Hey guys, this is DJ. So I'm going to be doing milk cart, and we're going to be using science. So to do this milk cart, you will need food coloring, dish soap, and Q-tips, or you can just use your hand if you want. I mean finger, yeah. And milk in a bowl. So this is the fun part now. Let's just squirt maybe 2 or 1 drop in just one place. I'm squirting 2. You can whatever how many squirts you want. Blue and yellow. I think it's green or yellow, I can't tell. And red or pink. I don't know what color this is. Yeah, it's red. And I'm just gonna repeat again. Oh, look at this blue. Whoa. Whoa. There. I think that's enough drops. Okay, now you just dip into some soap, dish soap, like that. And then you put it in the middle right here, and this is where the magic happens. Whoa! Guys, did you see that? That's so cool. Let's use the other side for another color. Whoa. It's not doing anything. Okay, I'm going to dip in the glue again to see. What's doing it? Wow. Whoa. Let's use another Q-tip. Whoa. Wow. This is so cool. Whoa. It's like a drawing. Let's just mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Whoa. This is so cool. Wow. Whoa. Let's use another Q-tip. Wow. That's so cool. Whoa, last Q-tip. Wow. Like a rainbow. We can just mix it together. Glee. Yeah, I can't do it anymore. Guys. So, I hope you have fun making your milk cart, guys. Bye.